Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your workstation and protecting clothing with a towel or cape. Perform a patch test 48 hours before full application to check for sensitivity. Measure about 30 grams of mint gel per medium-sized section to estimate product needs. Section hair into 4 equal sections using clips so you can apply consistently. Put on nitrile gloves, apply a thin barrier cream along the hairline, and lay out a timer, wide-tooth comb, and plastic bowl for mixing and application. Begin by applying a small amount to a root area to test saturation, then continue. Apply mint gel to roots first, then work toward ends to prevent over-depositing on previously lightened lengths. Comb through with a wide-tooth comb to distribute evenly and smooth any clumps. Cover with a plastic cap and let the color process for 20 minutes at room temperature. Do not use heat unless product instructions allow. Monitor every 5 minutes and add product to patchy spots for uniform coverage. When the timer ends, rinse hair thoroughly until the water runs clear, then towel blot gently to remove excess moisture. Rinse hair until water runs clear, then towel blot gently. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and cool water to preserve color and follow with a conditioner formulated for colored hair. Apply leave-in heat protectant before styling. Refresh with 10 to 15 grams of mint gel weekly for vibrancy, or dilute with conditioner for a pastel boost. Store remaining product, sealed in a cool place away from sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.